Mike Waggoner's Machine Shop in Cushing, Oklahoma. This is where, amongst other things, Rumely Oil Pull tractors come to be reborn, rebirthed, and given life anew.
Use the rivet squeeze to squeeze the rivets on the butt plate and the lugs. And then used pneumatic bucking bar and air hammers to rivet the 7/8 rivets for the spokes and wheel gear brackets.
So you think this is the only pair of this style of wheels that's been remade in existence?
Probably. There's not too many of the early E's with the built up style wheel. Most of them are a little newer with the reinforcement band built in. But I don't know how many of the early E's there is. A lot of the early serial numbered tractors, I don't think this was a good wheel design that held up well. And obviously Oil Pull didn't either, because they upgraded to the reinforcement band being rolled in at the mill as one piece, and the tire being a little thicker. And even after they did that, they went from 16 spokes to 20 spoke wheels and just kept beefing them up. But I think these were probably prone to cracking and the edges being rolled over. And so, just like this tractor, the wheels have been replaced with probably a used set out of salvage sometime in its life.
So look, no issues of wanting to start freezing before you're finished. None whatsoever. This thing's just up and down. It's not wanting to go.
Nothing we have learned.
Yeah.
You want to start cutting them?
Yeah, I just talked about that.
7, 16, I think I need 19.
Steve, we're gonna go to Steve. Here.
Whoop, hang on.
I don't know, last I heard it ran was in 26.
This,
Well,
26,
that's what the rumor was, it came out 26.
and it's a what, a 14?
This is 11,
This is
1911.
11. That's a rough 15 years.
Yeah.
As tore out as everything.
Well, I think it's
I mean,
26.
you know, you think about that, some of them old guys, they didn't know anything about grease and lubricating stuff. Because as bad as this was,
This is a very desirable tractor. Part of the first 500 batch they really made. It's got the round spoke wheels, the big radiator. You got these dial wheels, 16 spoke wheels. It's, as far as the ease go, it's very desirable.